Very good morning, children. How are you? You all are fine? So you are taking care of your health and society and neighbor, and you should be protect yourself at home. घर पर अच्छी protection में रहिए. Sorry, we have to be protect at home. Take care of your health and use mask, because for the online class I have to speak pronunciation properly. So just now I removed my mask. You should be use mask anywhere if you goes, and sanitize your hands properly many times. How many times you are using your hand for any purpose, for eating and doing work, and if you are moving here and there, you should be wash your hand properly. Okay, children? So that today we want to know about mathematics of numbers. So numbers means we should be know about what purpose numbers are important in our life by counting. First of all, we have to count anything means number is important, and we should be learn mathematical skill and max numbers from the we have to start. We start from the number only. Okay. So the numbers we have to learn the spelling also, and numbers should be know very easily that numbers and the spellings, very quick learning method. Today I am going to explain it. So you all are safe at home? So are you ready to listen this class of mathematical? Now from the very beginning I am going to start numbers system. Today the date is 7 and the month is 9 September 2020 and the day is Monday. Do you know the spelling of Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. And the September month spelling is S-E-P, Sept, T-E-M, Tem, B-R, September. So the September month also I explain, because how does the 9th month comes? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. This is the 9th month. So that's why the 9th month will come in between. Okay. So 9th month means the September month is running now. The date is 7. So today subject we are going to be learn max. Okay. The subject is max. The topic is numbers. Okay. The numbers name. The topic is numbers. So today we are learning, everybody know 1 to 10, how to write the numbers. 1 equal to O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R, E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Next is 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Okay. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. So this is a numbers name. So yeah, come to know that numbers name, how to learn. So number names also we should be pronounced properly. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3. So we should be learn in this way method. The sounds and the word, different sounds and word how to pronounce. The pronunciation also observe. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-N 10. This kind you should be learned properly, means you will learn very quick. Both you will learn very soon. Okay. Now the 10 up to 10 you learn the spelling, means there is no problem at all. 11 to 20 spelling to learn. Okay. So now we are going to be understand that how does it easy, because 1 to 10 we learn, means up to 20 how does it comes very easily. Here very short and easy method I will show you. Thus 11 ELE VN 11. See the spellings. 11. 11 means ELE VEN 11. Okay. 12 TWE LV 12. 13 TH IR TEEN 13. Got it? From here you should be observe properly where is the easy method. So ma'am said that from 14 to 20 there is a easy method. The easy method of the tips I will show you. FOUR 4. See here also 4, no? What is the spelling of 4 here mentioned? FOUR. And 14 also I am using this helpline. I am taking the help from 1 to 10 numbers. That's why I told you the very easy method I will show you. FOUR 4, we have to use TEEN. Got it? Next, 1 5 15. In the 15, 5 FIV 5 is there. But what we are pronouncing? We are pronouncing FIF TEEN. So F IF TEEN 15. Got it? 16. Again we are taking the 16's help here. What is the spelling of 6? SIX 6 TEEN 16. You got my point? The 16 means 6 and TEEN 16. Again I am taking here 17. 17 means 7 SEVN 7 and I am taking the help of TEEN because 6 spelling is SIX 6, 7 spelling is SCVN 7. So the pronunciation of the 16 and 17, the last word is ending with the teen, TEEN teen. You know the teen I am joining here. So again 7 SEBN 7 TEEN 17. You got it here? 17. You observe properly here. 4 TEEN. Here 5 we are not use 5th. FIF TEEN. 6 TEEN. 7 TEEN. Now 18. 8 EIGHT 8 TEEN is in this also. But one thing that the 8 EIGHT again don't ask me that TEEN double T should be used because many children used to ask me that because 8 your mention means only double EN only you have to join. EIGHT double EN 18. Okay, don't use TEEN again. Next is 19 NINE TEEN. Got it? Last is 20 TWENTY. Do you know the easy method from 1 to 10? First we should be learn properly, go through very well of the 10. So 10 up to 10 if you learn very easily, there is no problem at all to up to 20. So if up to 20 we can learn and write properly. The is again I am repeating ELE VN 11. Pronunciation observe properly children. ELE VN 11. TWE LVE 12. I am repeating once more. TWE LVE 12. THIR TEEN 13. FOUR TEEN 14. FIF TEEN 15. SIX TEEN 16. SCVN SIX TEEN 16. 17 SCVN TEEN 17. 18 EIGHT EN 18. 19 NINE TEEN 19. Last is 20 TWENTY 20. You can see the spelling of 10 also. TN 10, no? Here 20 it will be changed. TWENTY 10 TN 10. One more shortcut method I will show you. The up to 100 how to write. 10 10 you learned. Got it? Here learned already. 20 TWENTY 20. 30 THIR TY 30. 40 FOR TY 40. 50 FIF TY 50, 60 SIX TY 60, 70 SEVN TY 70, 80 EI GHTY 80, 90 NINE TY 90, 100 HUND RED. Okay, so here up to 10 if we learn, then 20 we have to, with the help of 10 only we use 11 to 20 spellings. You got here, no? How we are joined everywhere, TEEN we are joined and we are completed up to 20. But here 10 to 100 very easy way we can use. Here also we are using, in the 11 to 20 we use TEEN, but 10 to 100 we are using in between TY. See, so many TY we are ending here. The ending number is TY. So up to 20 we learn, 10 also we learn, 20 also we learn, 30 to 90 it is very easy shortcut method what we are learned from 1 to 10. That's why I said 1 to 10 if we learn, so you will come to know that how far you are understanding, how far you are writing. So here THIR TY 30, FOR TY 40, FIF TY 50, SIX TY 60, SEVN 70, EIGH TY 80, NINE 90, HUND RED 100. So one queries, many students are having that. How? The students are having the queries that 14 FOUR TEEN 14 we are using FOUR, but in the 40 we are using FOR TY. Why? What is the difference? Because the pronunciation of the word is entirely different. That we are using that 1 for 14 we are pronouncing FOUR TEEN 14 we are pronouncing, but here in the 40 40 we are using as a FOR TY we are pronouncing. The pronunciation and the phonetic sounds, the words will be changed. The words and pronunciation changing means the spelling also will be changed. So that should be in your, remember children, it should be in your mind. So 40 and FOUR 4 and 14, FOUR TEEN 14, FOUR 4 and FOR TY 40. So this is a communications between 4, 14 and 40. It should not be confused anywhere. So many children are making some mistakes in that. I hope you also, someone having this doubt, that confusion should not be do again, should not be affect anybody. Okay, so the topic of the numbers you should be understand, and the spelling should be write properly by learning, by understanding. So this way the 1 to 100 we can cover properly. Okay children, so this topic is from, we are explaining to the personal tutor children. So more detail, more content we can confirm me. I am ready to explain. Have a nice day children. Be safe and take care of your health and protect your family. Thank you.